Hello students, so till previous class we have discussed about various type of cells, Daniell cell, galvanic cell and their electrode potential, how to calculate it. We already know that एक cell कितने cell से मिलके बनता है, that is made up of two half cells. When we combine two half cells we get a fully prepared cell, like a full one cell we get from two half cells. We already know that ये जो दो half cells हैं, you have already previously seen these half cell diagram. Many times we have drawn this. Electrolyte is filled. These are the electrodes dipped in this electrolytes. This is the salt bridge. You already know the structure now. And then this is connected through this particular electrode through a metal wire where the voltmeter is connected or a switch is connected. In between somewhere ammeter is also connected because we need to see the current as well. So current is noted in ammeter. So this is basically a cell. It is divided into two half cells, like it is made up of two half cells. In one half cell, reduction takes place. In other half cell, oxidation takes place. We already know that reduction takes place on which electrode? On cathode electrode. Name of the electrode on which reduction takes place will be cathode, and the name of the electrode on which oxidation takes place is anode. This was given by IUPAC. You very well know this. Then we also know that oxidation, anode, and what is oxidation? Oxidation is loss of electron. I am just revising up the thing so that there should be no confusion in between. This is the addition of electron, although we have already read this. When there is an addition of electron, it is known as reduction. When there is a loss of electron, it is known as oxidation. Oxidation takes place on anode and reduction takes place on cathode. Now, the thing is, we already know now how to write the reactions as well. Like, if we talk about Daniell cell, we know how to write the reaction of Daniell cell. Like it was right. This was the reaction of Daniell cell. Here oxidation is taking place and here reduction is taking place. Oxidation, addition, loss of electron, reduction, addition of the electron. So these two equations are taking place here. Now, if we wish to write the cell representation, what is being told to you? Left. On left hand side, we will write which one? Cathode or anode? So yes, we are going to write anode on left hand side. And on right hand side? On right hand side, we are going to write about cathode. About cathode, we are going to write on right hand side and left hand side anode. So let us write it down. Anode means oxidation. Oxidation is happening here. So let us write on the left Zn to Zn plus 2. Clear? Then separated by a salt bridge. Cu plus 2 to Cu. So in this way you represent a cell. Now the thing that we are going to learn new is that if, let's suppose, one half cell is not given to you, they have not mentioned which half cell to take, what are you going to do at that time? So the answer lies in the next concept. Shall I rub this? You can note it down. Okay, so answer to this question lies in a next concept, that is measurement of electrode potential. In this, write it down. The potential of the two half cells potential of the two half cells cannot be determined individually. दो हाफ सेल जैसे आपके पास है, एक सेल दो हाफ सेल से बनता है, तो दोनों हाफ सेल के अगर पोटेंशियल आपको निकालने हो इंडिविजुअली, दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. It cannot happen. We can only and only deal with the difference of the potentials. That is known as electrode potential, EMF, right? That gives the EMF of the cell. So, what they are saying that if in a cell these are two half cells given, so we cannot determine the potential of this and potential of this. What can be done is only the way is that we can find out the difference of the potentials, and that will be known as our EMF of the cell. Okay, so individually potential of half cells cannot be determined, but write it down, but we can determine the difference of the potential of these two half cells. Difference of the potential of these two half cells, which is famously known as EMF of the cell. EMF means what? That is the potential difference between the two electrodes or between the two half cells. Each electrode is dipped in one half cell, so that is why this will be giving you your EMF. Now the condition if one half cell is not being given to you, and then other potential is being asked or EMF is being asked to you, what you are going to do at that time? You will be using a electrode which is a arbitrary electrode. What is arbitrary electrode? That is we have let it, मान लिया है उसको, ठीक है, कि एक arbitrary potential, because we already know अगर जैसे इधर वाला नहीं दे रखा है तो ये वाला तो आप individually निकाल ही नहीं सकते हो ना. That is what I told right now, but you can only find the difference. तो दोनों का होना जरूरी है, लेकिन अगर एक है ही नहीं, what you are going to do? You are going to take a new electrode. आप एक electrode को मान लेंगे, ठीक है, उसकी पोटेंशियल को आप आर्बिट्रेरी पोटेंशियल मान लेंगे, कुछ उसकी पोटेंशियल मान लेंगे. When we will be using this arbitrary potential electrode, then what will happen? We will be having both the half cells. Now we can find the EMF of the cell and various other information. So let us see the name of the electrode that we will be using is standard hydrogen electrode, which will be shortly known as SHE. This will be the electrode whose arbitrary potential will be used, and that can help the cell to find out the value of the EMF. Now the potential of it is always considered as zero. Zero potential मानते हैं ताकि पूरे सेल पे कोई इफेक्ट ना आए, ठीक है. What is the reaction of this particular SHE is this is the reaction, and by this you can see that we have added, so this is reduction. If that this particular electrode is present on the anode side, then obviously oxidation will take place. How we are going to write the reaction of the oxidation? Oxidation means removal of the electron. So half H2 gives H plus electron. Just the reversal of this. This will be your oxidation. So now you have to see, if in the question SHE is given on right hand side, or they have told you that SHE is present on cathode, so by default you have to understand cathode पे क्या होता है, reduction होता है, तो you will be writing the reaction of reduction. लेकिन अगर दे रखा है कि SHE present है anode पे, then you should be having this in mind that anode पे what takes place? Oxidation takes place. So the reaction of oxidation, you can write it down here. Very easy. And similarly you can find E of the cell. Let me show it to you. How you represent this? Like we were used to representing our cells like this, na? How we represent SHE? Reactions are this, but how we represent it is represented as this. In this way it is represented. and इसकी value of E is always 0. This SHE is made up of platinum electrode. बना किस चीज का होता है? कंस्ट्रक्शन प्लैटिनम इलेक्ट्रोड और प्लैटिनम ब्लैक से ही इसकी कोटिंग करी जाती है. ठीक है. This is very very important for large number of reactions because obviously this makes the reaction easy and ongoing. Okay, let me explain it to you with the help of example. I hope you have written this. Let's suppose I have given you this electron. So what they are saying, this is the cell representation being given to you and they have told you, let's suppose इसकी value भी E naught की दे रखी है, the value of E is 0.34 volt. Let's consider this example. So how we are going to write the reaction? First we have to see, अगर ये left पे लिखा है तो that means इसका oxidation हो रहा होगा. Left पे oxidation आता है ना, anode आता है, तो oxidation की reaction लिख दे. Now it is on right, that means cathode and reduction. Okay, now we have written both the reactions. यही मैंने कहा था लिखने को. Second step which I have told you people is E of cell निकालो. E of cell क्या होता है? E of cell होता है E of right minus E of left या फिर E of cathode minus E of anode. This has already been told to you. E of cathode क्या है? Cathode वो है तो 0.34 volt minus E of anode दे नहीं रखा. अगर आप ऐसे बोलते हो तो बेटा SHE has a potential of 0, so total E of cell will come at us to be 0.34 volt. This is about SHE. Thank you so much for watching the video and then you can like the video. Thank you so much.